All right, my man, Justin. What are we doing today?
So I like a taper fade.
You want taper fade?
Yeah, on the sides and the back, same thing.
Okay, and what number on the sides?
A
2, 1.5.
I think 1.5. Right? It's shorter, right? 1.5.
1.5 is shorter. Yeah. You want the 1.5?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Let's get this started.
Yeah, and just shorter on the top,
Oh yeah, a little trim on the top.
Yeah.
All right, for sure.
So to start off the taper fade, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the bulk by putting on my 1.5 guard on my wall magic clip cordless, and I'm using my comb as a guide as to not try and take off the hair from the top.
To still believe in magic, but every time I find a beat like this, feel like I grasp it. Teachers call them problematic. Talking through my classes, I was looking for my purpose, couldn't find it in my math test tactics. A young and dumb, fearing none, the pain I'm numb. Dreams of being hotter than the summer sun, so let me run. Not riding in my whip if you not ride or die, cause I've been double crossed like I was crucified. Crossed like Garden Ally. Supersize my pockets, I'm only concerned with profit. Like a change the change.
Now grabbing my Fabulous Rolls Gold FX trimmers, I'm gonna go ahead and do the bold line. So I'm doing a high taper fade, so I'm gonna go kind of high, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bold out, and then for the next step I'm gonna go ahead and grab my my foil shavers to get that razor bald look for that greater transition.
FaceTime my sister told me focus on my test. She probably worried I end up another rapper on the net. Damn. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, maybe I blow, maybe I don't, maybe I get so big it feel like freedom. Buy a whole bunch of shit when I don't really need it.
Okay, coming in with my Fabulous Rose Gold effects for the next part of the guideline, I'm gonna go ahead with the lever open and just go 1/2 inch.
Lifted some in me, I'm in the middle. Kinda like a riddle, trying to figure out the meaning in my head. I'm steady scheming, there's a war inside my
Okay, so
heart.
for my next guideline, I put on my one guard, and I'm doing the same thing, going about 1/2 inch, and make sure to use your corners in a flick out motion to try and get those annoying hairs that sometimes tend to stick out or tend to be a little bit hard to get out. Don't worry about that. Most clients' hairs are like that, so you just have to put your clipper in a different way, put it in a different angle, use your corners, and you will get those little annoying hairs out.
What's right for me? What's right for me? Yeah, 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 yeah. Lamborghini trains.
Okay, so now coming in with my 1/2 guard, I'm gonna go ahead and eliminate the line between the one guard open and the blade. Earlier I used my one guard closed to try and eliminate, not eliminate, but soften the line between the one and the blade. But it won't completely take it out. That's why I'm putting on my 1/2 guard, halfway open, halfway closed. However you want to interpret it, it's the same thing. It's interpreted the same way. Everyone will understand what you're saying in the barber industry. And I'm using my corners in a flick out motion, trying to take out that line between the one and the blade open. And I'm also adjusting my lever as I need to try and blend, make the fade blend.
Magic, but every time I find a beat like this, feel like I grasp it. Teachers call them problematic. Talking through my classes.
So now coming in with the blade closed, I'm gonna go ahead and do the final step of the fade and go ahead and eliminate the line I did in the first step to go ahead and make that blend perfect. And I do want to mention that you will need to adjust your lever to go ahead and try and perfect the blend, to catch any details you need to do to make the blade, because just with the blade closed, it won't be exactly perfect. You're gonna need to adjust it halfway open, and then probably how do you say, maybe like 1/4 open, something like that. Adjust your lever as you need to go ahead and perfect the blend.
This last levy is the fact that I could write down memories. FaceTime my sister told me focus on my test. She probably worried I end up another rapper on the net. Damn. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, maybe I blow, maybe I don't, maybe I get so big it feel like freedom. Buy a whole bunch of shit when I don't really
Okay, so
need
basically if you copy and paste the exact guidelines you did on the first side of the person's hair, go ahead and copy and paste that on the back, on the side of the hair, do some detail work, and that's how you do your taper fade, everybody. It's that easy with practice. So go ahead and follow the guidelines, and I guarantee you with practice you will get better at it and you will perfect your fade.
like the ones I blast on speaker systems, or I'm meant for just a normal living. Lamborghini drinks. It's like the more I grow, the more I'm told what's right for me. What's right for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's like the more I grow, the less I know what's right for me, what's right for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lamborghini dreams.
KBZ. KBZ, how you dripping so hard? KBZ.
I was riding around the city, listening to J. Cole. Way too young to be feeling like an old soul. Way too old to still believe in magic. But every time I find a beat like this, feel like I grasp it. Teachers call them problematic. Talking through my classes, I was looking for my purpose, couldn't find it in my math test tactics. A young and dumb, fearing none, the pain I'm numb. Dreams of being hotter than the summer sun, so let me run. Not riding in my whip if you not ride or die, cause I've been double crossed like I was crucified. Crossed like garden ally. Supersize my pockets, I'm only concerned with profit. Like a change that changed me. Used to call the Brody, come and swoop me where we hooping today. But now he distant, different missions, think he losing his way. Who am I to tell him he not living right with me, myself? I'm struggling with juggling, shuffling cards that I've been dealt. I wanna call for help, but my pride won't let me. This last levy is the fact that I could write down memories. FaceTime my sister, told me focus on my test. She probably worried I'll end up another rapper on the net. Damn, maybe I will, maybe I won't, maybe I blow, maybe I don't. Maybe I get so big it feel like freedom.
So here I'm using the clipper over comb technique, and I'm setting my comb at a 90-degree angle. I put on my 1.5 guard on my clipper so I can go ahead and knock out the hair that's just hanging out from the top, so I can blend in to the fade.
There's a war inside my heart, a war you'll never know. Should I do what feels so right, or should I do what I was told? Will I ever be a hero like the ones I blast on speaker systems? Or I'm meant for just a normal living? Lamborghini drinks. It's like the more I grow, the more I'm told what's right for me, what's right for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's like the more I grow, the less I know what's right for me, what's right for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lamborghini dreams.
Before I do some shear work, I'm going to go ahead and saturate my client's hair with water so that the hair can be at its longest point before I start cutting the hair. When you want to do your shear work, always cut your client's hair so that it can be better to cut the hair. It's just better that way.
KBZ, how you dripping so hard? KBZ.
I was riding around the city, listening to J. Cole. Way too young to be feeling like an old soul. Way too old to still believe in magic. But every time I find a beat like this, feel like I grasp it. Teachers call them problematic. Talking through my classes, I was looking for my purpose, couldn't find it in my math test tactics. A young and dumb, fearing none, the pain I'm numb. Dreams of being hotter than the summer sun, so let me run. Not riding in my whip if you not ride or die, cause I've been double crossed like I was crucified. Crossed like garden ally. Supersize my pockets, I'm only concerned with profit. Like a change that changed me. Used to call the Brody, come and swoop me where we hooping today. But now he distant, different missions, think he losing his way. Who am I to tell him he not living right with me, myself? I'm struggling with juggling, shuffling cards that I've been dealt. I wanna call for help, but my pride won't let me. This last levy is the fact that I could write down memories. FaceTime my sister, told me focus on my test. She probably worried I'll end up another rapper on the net. Damn, maybe I will, maybe I won't, maybe I blow, maybe I don't. Maybe I get so big it feel like freedom. Buy a whole bunch of shit when I don't really need it. Things we buy to cover up what's inside. Half my friends are on them addies just to get through curriculums. The other half are popping perks for perks of being lifted some. And me, I'm in the middle, kinda like a riddle. Trying to figure out the meaning in my head. I'm steady scheming. There's a war inside my heart. A war you'll never know. Should I do what feels so right?
YouTube. So here is the cut. Like, comment, subscribe if you liked it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.
It's like the more I grow, the more I'm told what's right for me. What's right for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's like the more I grow, the less I know what's right for me. What's right for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.